This is the last drill, drill number 6 for the chapter 8 review, and you only have to do number 1, so it's just one problem. It says the first term is 20, and you find a term by taking the previous term and adding 0.35 times the previous term. So, when we're trying to figure out what this means, it says write an explicit formula. We've never seen this where we have the previous term written twice. So think of it two different ways. It really depends on which way makes more sense to you. You can think of j sub n minus 1 and 0.35 j sub n minus 1. Think of them as like terms, kind of like having x plus 0.35x. That would give you 1.35x. Maybe think of this as j sub n equals j as 1.35 j sub n minus 1. Maybe think of it that way, and it's being multiplied, just like this right here is being multiplied. So j sub n equals 1.35 times the previous term. That might be one way you think about it. Another way to think about it is see how they each have a j sub n minus 1. Try factoring it out. J sub n minus 1, if you factor it out, would be a 1 here plus 0.35 there, and you still get the previous term times 1.35. Either way, you're taking the previous term and multiplying it by 1.35. So the first term is 20. The constant ratio is 1.35 to the n minus 1. And because this is a geometric sequence, I'll use g sub n. I guess I could have said j sub n. I guess that's what they were using. I should use a j. And that's it. The main thing you have to realize is it's the previous term plus another 0.35 times the previous term. So the total is 1.35 times the previous term.